Hey there. So this is the SJCAM C400 action cam. So that's the box that it comes in. That's the little camera on the mounting bracket. So I thought I'd just run you through some of the things that you will get with this product, and I'll do some videos and I'll share some links on some stuff that I took. So it comes with this great little carry case, and it also came with a micro SD card, which is really good because you're struggling to find them sometimes. The only problem I have with this is the little tripod feet won't fit in the case. So that's sort of neither here nor there, but this fits in the case itself. It also comes obviously with a little setup menu, but it comes with a box of bits. And I'm not kidding when I say a box of bits. So there's an underwater housing, there's a lanyard, so you can put the little camera in here and you can do, you know, point of view stuff. There's cables, there's all sorts of connections for mounting, there's little screws and brackets, and there is so much stuff in here. But for me, what I love is the camera, this little battery pack essentially, and the little tripod feet, and I use this behind the scenes. So let's just have a little look at some of the stuff there. So I've just taken the feet off for the moment, and what I'm going to do is I'm just going to clip the camera out of that housing to start with. So that is the camera. That's it there. That tiny little thing there. So this essentially is something to hold, so to steady it. It's really cool. This actually has your battery pack. So there's a USB-C charger there. You've got your buttons. So you pop this in here. To turn it on, all you have to do is flip the screen and it automatically starts up and starts recording. You can jump in and you can do video, you can do stills. It has audio on it, but it's probably not the best audio. But you can go through, you can play with all your different settings. You can set it up via Wi-Fi. There's an app on the phone, and I'll show you that in a minute. I love using the app. It's amazing. So you can, when it stops wriggling around, so you can do video, you can do stills and stuff like that. It can do slow motion. It can do all sorts of things. So that's the app there on my phone. If I want to connect to it, I plug that, go into Wi-Fi and scan the code. And it automatically connects to the device. So from there, I can go in and I can do video, photo, time-lapse, slow motion, timer recording. There's all sorts of things that I can do on there. So you can go into your settings there. You can go and pick what you want to do, burst mode, time-lapse, photo, video, slow motion, etc., etc. There's a dash cam mode as well. You can go in and see everything that you've recorded, all the video, photo. You can have different albums via date and all the rest of it. So it's really, really handy to play with on the app. You can, I find it actually really easy to come in and go into settings, and you can turn various things on. So you can loop your video to 3 minutes. So when I'm in the studio, I do a continuous 3-minute recording. So it records 3 minutes and stops and then starts recording again. You can have a logo watermark on here. I did turn it off. It's just the SJCAM one. Your bitrate, your ISO, your language. I find it really easy to format in here. I don't want to format it now because I've got stuff on here I've got to take off. It's got anti-flicker, it's got rotation, so if you want it landscape or portrait, you can do both of those. You can do a complete reset and all the rest of it. So there's also image stabilisation, and you can set your resolution and everything here. Record audio, I've currently got set off. I'll put that back on because I need to go and just do a little POV recording so you can see what the audio is like from there. So that's pretty much it. And you can, if you want to, if you're remotely shooting, so you can shoot and do video and stuff like that from here as well. Okay, so I'm just going to do a bit of a walk and a talk. I could turn it around and do like a talking heads video, and I'll do one of those. So I'm just wandering. This is just a path from the studio to the house. Excuse the bins. I just wanted to test out what the audio was like and doing sort of, you know, a walking, talking type of thing just to see how it goes. And there's Mr. Dexter. Hello, Dexter. How are you today? And now I've just turned it round so that I can do like a talking heads video. So I'm just sort of looking down and watching where I'm walking so I don't trip over anything. I just wanted to see what the audio was like. I did a POV with the lanyard, and I just feel that sometimes it's just too jerky. That just could be the way I'm walking. I don't know. But for a talking head video like this, if I'm stationary or standing still, I think it's quite fine. It's just the audio is not brilliant. So this was just some video that I took in the backyard, just walking around. I had the dogs and I was just holding it. There's no gimbal on this device, so it's got inbuilt digital stabilization, but there's no actual gimbal like you would get on some other Action Pro cameras. So, and this is what I was saying about, I put this on the lanyard, which is sort of like magnetically connected. So you put one part sort of behind, you have your shirt holding the camera steady, but it is still just sort of flicking around and it's quite jerky when I was just walking around doing a POV video. So maybe not the best for this sort of thing.